Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make this avocado and coconut milk deep conditioner with your home ingredients. You can do this, it's easy. Keep watching, please subscribe and like this video. First thing I'm using is one ripe avocado. Avocado is a good moisturizer for your hair, it leaves your hair soft. I'll also be using coconut milk. This helps get rid of itchy scalp, it conditions your hair, it prevents split ends. And honey, oh my god, honey is amazing for moisture. It helps seal in the moisture in your hair. It's amazing, and it also promotes hair growth. I'll be using olive oil as well, and this leaves your hair shiny, it promotes hair growth, it penetrates your hair follicles. So the first thing you want to do is cut open your avocado. Be careful with the knife you're using. Don't hurt yourself. Look at that, guys. That looks so yummy. I wish I could eat it, but I'm using it for my hair. So you're going to scoop it out with a spoon, preferably. I don't know what you would like to use, but a spoon works fine. Just scooping it. It's not as easy as it looks. There's techniques to this. So I'm taking out that paper like being inside the avocado. I don't need it on my hair. I don't want any particles on my hair. Next, I'll be using coconut milk. Followed by honey, and I'm using 3 spoons of this 1.5 cup. I need that moisture. There's nothing as too much honey for me in my regimen. Be generous. Very generous. Next, I'm also using olive oil. And I'm just using about 2 spoons. Next, you want to get your blender. I'm pouring my coconut milk in first because it's liquidy, followed by my honey. conditioner. I'm still going on. As you can see, I spritzed my hair with water because it was getting dry, and I have low porosity hair, so it helps when my hair is a bit damp before I apply my conditioners. Just working it into my hair.
It's Lennon.
Hold on, guys.
Mr. Lecky.
And with that last part of conditioner, I'm going to use everything. I'm going to make sure it doesn't waste, and I'm massaging it into my scalp, to the body of my hair, everything. Just massaging it. With one avocado, look at how much conditioner. Next, I'm putting a plastic cap over my head, and I'm going to put another plastic bag to generate heat, or I prefer to use a steaming cap because that takes a shorter time and it generates more heat in my hair. So I took out my shower cap, and this is what my hair looks like. My curls are popping, and I'm about to go rinse it out. Finally done, and this is what my hair is looking like, guys. It's looking more voluptuous. My hair, my curls, everything is shining, and my hair is so soft, guys. I am so satisfied with the results. My scalp is clean, everything is nice and fresh. So guys, support me. Please don't forget to like this video.
Mr. Lecky on the beat.
Please like it. Subscribe to my channel. Till next time, bye.